What you got, bud? Messing up on mommy's floor. What you got? That's for doggies. You want to spin? You bringing it to me because you want to spin? Huh? Get up there. Do you want to spin? Come on. You want to spin? Do you want to spin? You gonna spin? Are you ready? You ready? Whee! Whee! Big spin. Make mommy dizzy. Hi. Don't get my feet. Bye. Get away from my toes. Got your fire truck? Yay! You did a big spin. You dizzy? I'm dizzy. Don't touch my toes. Alright, you can climb up. That's it. There. I don't want to spin no more. I got a headache. I mean, a dizzy headache. Good boy.